Alrighty, welcome to the first video of OilSlickCars. On this channel, we'll be picking out Hot Wheels one a day, opening them up, reviewing them, setting them aside, and at the end of the week, we'll drag race them through like a bracket, see who comes off at the top. I'll be picking the cars off this shelf one a day for 6 days of the week, and then on the last day, being Sunday, we'll race them in the drag race. I'll keep this shelf restocked as we go on. Yeah, let's get started then. Since today's actually Tuesday, and I would normally be starting from Wednesday, we're going to open two cars. The first one, I've pre-decided, is going to be the 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. Pretty cool car in my opinion. I've had this one for a bit now. Not sure how long exactly, but it's just kind of been sitting in my closet. Not a newer one by any means, but yeah, this one says 2014 up there. Good shot it's from about then. So let's get her opened up. I'm opening these with a knife to preserve the card as much as possible. So this is our car. Pretty cool, nice teal with like a yellow green flames. I like the wheels on this. I don't know how I do feel about this color. It's kind of interesting in my opinion, but seems to sit really low, which I think is really cool. Underneath the car, it lists all the typical items, such as the name and where it was produced. This is going to be our car number one for the first contender. This was supposed to be Monday's car, which we're going to set aside. And typically, I would be sticking to more realistic cars, but when setting up for this, I found this Avengers car that had a pretty beat up card. I think got water damaged. So I figured, why not throw it in, because it's not worth keeping this card. I originally got it because I thought the art on it was cool. But yeah, I'm not going to try to cut this one with a knife because it's too far gone, to be honest. With this one, you get a really nice chrome finish. This one, pretty cool Thor. This one also definitely feels lighter than this one. This one definitely feels lighter, definitely more plasticky. Not based off a real car, but it's got a massive engine in the back right there. Pretty cool. It's kind of giving me like modern day, like, I don't know. It's like, kind of feels like they took like the front of like almost a Camaro and made it into like an El Camino or something of such. So this was Monday's, and this is today's Tuesday. So I'll be opening 4 more for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And on Sunday, we'll race all 3 of these in the bracket. And then whoever comes out on top gets the honors of being placed in this, which is I have the Audi right in. So the champion will get to be displayed in here, which I think will be super cool. After every 6 weeks, the winners will race against each other to decipher who is the champion. So thanks for watching the first episode of OilSlickCars. Hope you enjoyed, and subscribe and like if you want to see me do more of these. Peace.